say it's a weird one.
Christmas list this year for you ladies.
I would say designer bags. Oh no,
Dartford. What made you come around here then?
more German food.
Times nothing you've said.
We ain't been doing.
Oh, you're hiding from me now. Oh, you're hiding. Okay. So this is the famous market. They've said it's quite busy, doesn't it? I don't know. Why they stingy with the decorations?
Maybe it's because it's political correctness and can't have it too Christmas.
Well,
it's got to be happy holidays. That's why it says winter market and not Christmas market. Oh,
is that what it said?
Just clock that. Look,
Okay.
winter market. It's not allowed to be Christmas because it might affect the Muslims.
You're an idiot. That's interesting, you know. So it says winter market.
Sky, gather all your family round, or go out and paint the town. It's the only time of year the whole wide world turns upside down. So baby, light a fire and we'll toast the night away, because Christmas is coming our way.
So we're in Southbank checking out the Christmas market here. So it's literally by Waterloo Station. So far we're trying to see if the Christmas vibe is still running in London, as people's been saying. It does not feel like Christmas around there, so let's find out and see. I mean, I don't see no decorations or anything, I just see just markets. Does it feel like Christmas? Let's ask the people. The worst part about being here is you're right by the Thames water and it is freezing. Huh? It's a bit windy, my fingers are frozen. Are you guys from here?
No.
Where you not from? Can I record you? Is that right? Yeah.
Dartford.
Dartford. What made you come around here then?
For this. We come here every
For
year.
this?
Yeah. We went to like streets.
So what's so good about this place?
Food.
Does it feel like Christmas?
A little bit.
Well, here, right here.
In this specific spot right now? Or in London?
Up there it does.
And how does it look like Christmas? How does it feel like
They
Christmas?
got mulled white. And that means Christmas.
There's no decorations.
No, there's not. There's not.
They're really quite stingy this year.
Yeah. There's no lights. There's nothing this year.
This
More German food.
You see? There you go. I'm guessing you're from Germany. No? Been walking up and down here several times. Nothing you've said.
We ain't been doing.
Who's waving? Who's waving? Hello guys, where are you from?
Greenwich. Where are you from?
Greenwich. Well, what made you guys come to Southbank? Because you heard it's good. What's good about it? YouTube. Oh, you're hiding from it now. Oh, you're hiding. Okay, fine. VIP. We've got a VIP lady hiding. Small.
Look at that though.
Start now. No!
Just record.
Why is it on the floor? It's on the piece.
You look at the record. Look at.
Should I stop it and start it? That's what I'm asking you.
What do you think about this place so far?
It's really boring. Excuse me, guys. Do you think this place feels Christmassy?
We were just saying we think it does.
You think it does?
Yeah.
Why? I'm really curious now.
Yeah.
Well, we were not feeling Christmassy yesterday.
Okay.
I guess just seeing lights and stuff.
Lights and the cold as well. Did you try any of the food here and stuff like that? Or
We're looking.
You're
Quite
looking.
happy, yeah.
Yeah, okay, but the food's here. I
You
think.
know what's so crazy? I don't even see that much decorations. It's just the market's lights and that's it.
They've gone a bit minimalist with it this year.
They're going a bit minimalist.
It seems like it, because I think when I've been here in the past, there's been a lot more in terms of decoration. But what I will say is the actual booths and the stalls and that, they seem quite organised quite nicely. There's quite a few of them, decent variety. So maybe they've gone more substance over style this year, you know?
I don't know. Why they stingy with the decorations?
Maybe it's because it's political correctness and can't have it too Christmas.
What, global warming bollocks and stuff?
No, it's just got to be happy holidays. That's why it says winter market and not Christmas market.
Oh, is that what it said?
Just clock that, look.
Okay.
Winter market. It's not allowed to be Christmas because it might affect the Muslims.
You're an idiot. Oh, it does say that, you know. Look, hold on, look. That's interesting, you know. So it says winter. It says winter market.
I wonder when that changed.
For the skaters, you've got a place right here for you lot. Bit of entertainment, or you can get involved with what's going on behind us.
So Staffa wants to enter the Hell Market.
I'm queuing up, yeah. Is it free entry in there? Yeah, it is, yeah. Okay. Right, so this is the famous market, they've said. It's quite busy, doesn't it? Really busy. Saturday night.
To give some context, fairly busy over there, bit dead over here. That's covered. This is not covered. I think it's just the rain. I think if it wasn't raining, it'd be a lot more popping than this. So it does all right. Just so you know, they're very strict on bringing in outside food and drink, even if you bought it in the vicinity. So down your mulled wine before you come here, or just wait and buy it in here.
Right, guys. Right now we're in Southbank Winter Festive. Is that what it's called?
I've already given them an introduction already.
Is it?
You're the one that came late.
I came late. Listen, I came late because it was a bit of a confusement. I'll speed run this. Basically, there was
Confusion, not confusement.
Confusement. Listen, English is my second language. Yeah. Okay.
Hey.
I got brought up in a whole different in the village, like in, you know what I mean, and I've gained a London accent over time.
There was a lot of waffling still.
No, but it's true though.
You sound like you're from Essex.
It's real, listen, this is real life situations. This is real life situations. I can't make this up. Why are you spitting on the floor, man? It's disgusting.
It's gonna evaporate, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah. I hope you don't mind. We're just doing like a little YouTube video type of thing. I just want to ask you a couple of questions with my friend over here. Is that okay? You lot are looking fabulous regardless, so you camera shy a little bit, or? It's just about this place, about like how do you feel about it? Does it feel Christmassy, and how's your experience here? Because this is our first time coming in. We came here just to film some stuff basically. To see how
Can you feel this Christmas vibe? Do you celebrate Christmas?
Yeah, we do.
Like what?
See, that's what you were saying.
Yep, it's okay. No, it's okay. No, it's good what you're saying. It's okay. Yep.
I would say definitely more decorations for sure. It's quite nice seeing like the different outlets and like the food stores, so that's quite nice. But I think we could do with more Christmas vibes here.
Okay. Have you had any food around here?
No, we literally just got here.
Okay.
Yeah, so we've only just got a hot chocolate.
What do you think of the prices?
Do you know, it's London, it's expected, so.
So it's a weird one.
What's on the Christmas list this year for you ladies? That's what I want to know.
What's on the Christmas list for you?
What do you want to see underneath the Christmas tree?
I would say designer bag.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let me guess.
designer bag.
Let me guess.
Oh, no.
Oops. What kind of design are you looking for?
Oh, it doesn't have to be too. No, nothing. No, we're not like that. We're not like that. Or maybe some nice jewelry.
Nice jewelry. Okay.
Yeah, nice necklace.
Make sure that person is notified about that.
Yeah, we'll definitely
Lovely.
do that. What about
Do
you?
you send the list out to people saying this is what I want, or do they just know what you're gonna get or what you want?
They know. They should know.
They should know.
Okay, for Caribbean. Yeah, it's Barbados. Thank you.
I mean, right now we're hungry. I mean, in those markets, what, £15 for a simple meal? I'm gonna go to the supermarket here and spend what, a good £2. Bro, you haven't bought that yet.
I'm hungry. I'm gonna buy it, but when there's no sandwiches left.
He's moving mad. That's all nice.
So guys, is that Christmas feeling still in the air in London? Or is it slowly fading away? Just let me know. I just can't wait to read all your comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and good night.